Do you know many people are having trouble with the shift into parks alarm in their Toyota Prius 2015? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this.
Let's start.
Step 1. Press brake pedal. Ensure that you are pressing the brake pedal when you start your Prius. Step 2. Shift to drive. Shift to D and confirm that is displayed on the dashboard. Step 3. Disengage parking brake. Disengage the parking brake if it's engaged and gently press the accelerator. Step 4. Stop and park. If you see shift into park, stop the car, set the parking brake, and press P. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the shift into park's issue in your Prius. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Toyota users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.